Welcome back to Average Guy Tested. Today, we're commemorating the 80th anniversary of D-Day, a day that changed history forever. On June 6, 1944, Allied forces launched the largest amphibious invasion in history, storming the beaches of Normandy. This pivotal operation marked the beginning of the end of World War II in Europe as brave servicemen and women fought valiantly to liberate occupied territories and restore peace. So as I get into today's shave, I want to give a special shout out to my good friend Jimmy G. Jimmy sent me a note along with some incredible pictures of vintage razors and shaving gear that might have been used back in the day. He also generously gifted me the razor I'm using today, the iconic Gillette Fatboy. This Gillette Fatboy is a true piece of history, just like the day we're commemorating. It represents a time when craftsmanship and durability were paramount. As we take this moment to reflect, let's remember and honor those who gave their lives to protect the freedoms we enjoy every day. Their sacrifices have made it possible for us to live in a world where we can pursue our passions, like this clown here, shaving in front of the world on YouTube. Thank you, Jimmy, for this incredible gift and for the inspiration to make this video. And thank you to all the heroes who have served and continue to serve our nation. Your bravery and dedication will never be forgotten. Now for the remainder of the shave, I'll just be quiet and let you enjoy the peace and relaxation of this vintage razor in action. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more content here on Average Guy Tested. Until next time, take care and remember the importance of our history. Now roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you away.